Tingman's house, 10 a.m. Ooh, this is a really good solve. New PB, let's go. 2.93. I need to tell TNL about this. Oh, new PB. Oh, that's good. Wait. Okay, what's the message? I just got a 1.3 second 3x3 solve. What? I need to take revenge. Let's take my backpack. I need a glue stick and some scissors. After a nice hot warm shower, let's do some cubing. What's inside of this cube? Is it literally glue inside of this? I can't turn it, it's annoying. What's inside of it? Is that Tingman? Tingman! I need to take revenge for what he did. What's inside of this cube? Is that chewing gum? TNL cubing! I need to take revenge. I'm just gonna throw this cube away.
The next day.
Wait, where's my cube? My can cube? My Euclid cube? My paper cube? My pyramid? Where is it? I have 60,000 subscribers and you just threw in a cube like that, TNL cubing? Oh my god, I hate this guy so much. You threw away my main cube. That was a nice Rubik's brand cube. Okay, we're not friends. We are not friends. That's my main cube. How am I supposed to make videos? I have 60,000 subscribers. You only have 5,000. Come on.